Hello, people. How we doing? Oh, we have news in 2 minutes. Holy shit. Is it time to gamble? Is it gambling time? That's the wrong one. $40 seconds. 40 seconds, brother. What do you guys think? Up or down? How did news turn out? News turned out bad? Good or bad for DXY, guys? I don't even see it, it's not reloading. It's not gonna load. Very mixed. But I guess good for the dollar overall. We should be a bit heading down here on gold. Pretty easily. Good news for the dollar, guys. Should make its way down. Should make its way down pretty easily. Any of you guys gambled? No, it should be coming down here pretty heavily. It's just taking its time, but it should be pretty coming down. I mean, the numbers were evidently bad. They were not even. They were not even. Right, and unemployment claims is heavily the most impactful news here, and unemployment claim was good for the dollar, so you're gonna head down here for sure. All right. Tapped right at that support. I rejected hard. Wow. What a tap. Alright, now let's see how gold... Wow, what a rejection off of that area. Crazy rejection off of the area. This is good though. It's good that we didn't move that much. How many pips? I mean, we moved 60 pips, but it's not that much. It's not crazy. Which is very good for us. Very good for us. Right, because now our levels are still holding up. We don't have to redraw any levels or something like that. Our levels are still holding up. So, yeah. Nice. I like that. What are you boys saying? I say I had an appointment. It's not. Damn. I say did not trade news, unfortunately. I could trade news, but I'm not your guy. I'm not the guy for news. Yo, that's actually crazy. I thought, listen guys, I thought I had like I thought I had made it so the discount code automatically expires, but I hadn't. So we got a bunch of people joining after with a discount code. We got a bunch of people actually using the discount code after it actually went out, because I thought it was gone, but it wasn't. So yeah, congratulations to you guys. You found a glitch in the matrix. But yeah, now it's gone though. Now it's gone, but damn. Should we really get into doing reanalysis? I feel like we have a pretty good. That is a good zone. I'm gonna move this, guys. I'm gonna move this down here. I'm gonna do this instead. Never mind. This area is actually nicer. Like 5 seconds before news. Yeah, dude, this time shift thing has fucked me over. Now I have to. My whole routine has to flip back 1 hour. So I have to start streaming at 12 now, maybe. Instead of 1. And you might say, oh, Bard, but 1 it's so late. Well, listen, I need my nap, okay? Oh, can you hear me? Testing. Alright. But yeah. Okay, what can we see here? So I flipped through all the different pairs. By the way, did you guys see yesterday was my first ever Forex signal? Crazy, right? Well, except from GJ back in the day, but my first Forex QTC signal was yesterday. AUD USD. Crazy. Yeah, bro, once I saw this compensation play on the Forex players, I was like, yo, why not? It worked so well. We've been testing it for some time, and I don't know, it's just it would be a lost opportunity to not, I'll call it out. Oh, the 15 really flipped. The 15 and 30 really flipped. Insane. Look at that tap. Tapped right into that support at 2161 and rejected so hard. Yeah, now we just wait, guys. We have to wait a little bit till some. We have to wait for some new candles because we can't really do much off of this candle right here. We have to wait for some closures, either below or above. Right, we have our ranges. Let's see if this is a range. Not really. Pretty decent range or zone right there. Or you know what? No, we can't. It's not good enough. We have to wait here, guys. We have top right here. We have grab liquidity now. I would want to see us break the highs before we do anything else. Again, news volume is still lingering around, so it's not like news is completely off. There's still news lingering around, so we're not gonna jump into any positions anytime soon. We'll wait a little bit, wait till price calms down, create some sort of formation structure, and then we'll enter. We do have a compensation on GBP JPY TJ at 189.383 right here, so we'll see if that can get tapped. Other pairs not really at the moment. Gold is running up. I'm still bearish. I'm still overall bearish on gold, so I just believe we need to grab some liquidity to the upside. So what I think is we're gonna probably come up to these areas. Now let's see where I think we're gonna tap. Yeah, somewhere above here. I think we're gonna come up and tap somewhere right above this range. We've already tapped it, so I don't know if it's necessary that we do it again. Because we did have this slight liquidity grab right here above the range. At, when was this, at 12 or no, 10:30 my time. So we did have this right here, right, for no reason, just wicked above the range and then came back, closed respect, and kept coming down. That was before news, so we did have some sort of liquidity grab. Now I don't know if this is enough, but I highly doubt it. I think we might be able to break that high. Now we did not quite tap that area of resistance. So we still have some range to come up, very small, but some range to come up a little bit further to tap right into that resistance. Let's see here. 5 is going to close back into range. No bottom wick though, so you could see something like this. Right. So if this 5 closes with no top wick or no bottom wick, you'll probably see something like this, right? So you see something like this, pull back, and then you can see us breaking the highs or just tap into that resistance. And then after we do that, we could look for some sells. If you want to look for buys, I'd have to wait for a closure above for buys, not just a wick. But yeah, something like this is bound to happen on the 5. Alright, GJ did not come up, and he's probably just gonna drive down now. Yeah. Yeah, this GJ play is probably completely gone. We are 30 pips away, so. No other opportunities. Nope. I discovered an indicator called X Ghost Wickless Candles. What do you think, bro? Every week I get these new indicators from you guys. What is it this time? You guys don't know, but the crabs. You guys don't know. You guys that weren't here have no idea, but the crabs. The crabs actually snaked us. Oh, that's cool as fuck. That's cool as fuck, bro. Honestly, I did not expect that. I thought this would be just another one of those fake baked indicators. This is actually nice. Can you guys see what's going on? It's actually giving us numbers. Percentage of bull candles. Wickless bull candles, 6.34%. It's telling you how many no wick candles there are. Like, we're actually seeing the numbers. Percentage of wick. Yo! Yo! Yo, this is perfect for our strategy. And it shows the complete wickless ones, not the ones with the nipples. Like the completely wickless ones as well. Yo, how did you find this, bro? How did you find this? Actually, W. Yo, I'm gonna keep this on. I'm gonna actually keep this on. Check this indicator, bro. It's after everything after this indicator is just gonna be a letdown. So better not send any indicators. Dynamic support. What the fuck? So it just shows area of high volume. Areas of high volume. Yeah, I mean, aside, but it's a little bit too much, you know. I'll stick to this one. This was nice, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Javier. How'd you find this? I'm really, like, it's almost like the indicator was made. Like, it's almost like somebody made the indicator for us. Like, it's crazy. I've never seen any. It has only 100. I don't know how you found it. It has only 100 users. Get rid of texts. I don't know how to get rid of the text. Oh, there you go. Jeez. Yeah, gold is just driving here. I guess unemployment claims data was too strong. Unemployment claim data was too strong. Investigating the strategy you use to speed it up more and make it more comfortable. Thank you. Where were you, bro, on the last day I waited? Yesterday? I kind of felt like I had to take a break, guys. It's been a lot, dude. I've been trading a lot these last few days, so I felt like I had to take a break, you know. Take a break, hung out with a friend, hung out with my brother. You know, felt like that was good, and it was good because we caught a shit ton of pips yesterday. I felt like I had to kind of clear my brain a little bit, especially because I was up for Asian as well. That was not a good idea, being up for Asian. Try the indicator the next pivot. Well, I will do the same thing I've been doing until now, right? Which is the compensation play. But now it's easier to spot, right? I don't have to kind of look, and especially for people that are new, this is great. Yo, could any of the mods make it like not an announcement, but just set it in the chat? Tell people that about this indicator, that it works. It's good for a strategy. It helps them spot no wick candles. If you want like extra help. Thank you, Javier. Really appreciate that. Should make our own indicator. We should. We should. Maybe QTC indicator. Imagine. Yeah, take the script and then just add other things, like add the 5 rules. Yo, imagine indicator, right? Like this one, which finds compensation play, and then you just add the trend, you add break of the high or break of structure, right? Add break of structure. The indicator removes when it's more than 6 candles. Crazy. I'm playing with 1 minute candles since you started your stream. I got 120 pips. Hey, let's go, bro. I scroll back and you can see how many times the play worked out. Yeah, granted, you have to be with the trend, right? You gotta be with the trend. And it's kind of misleading because, for example, here, or here, you would not take the buys here, right? So it's a little misleading. You gotta read it carefully, guys, because you can't take this. You have to take it here, right? When it crosses it. Here, you would take it here, not here. Right, so this only tells you where the no wick candles is. It doesn't tell you when to take the buys or sells. So for example, if you want to take a compensation play, you would take it here and not here. Right? You would take it here and not here. You would take it here, not here. So here you would take it. This is just showing you that, okay, we have a candle with no wick, we have an opportunity coming. Really good, really good. W. One of the first W indicators I've ever seen. Oh, that's smart, Kayan. I'm gonna do that. That's actually smart. Bro, check the indicator for the next pivot. Yeah, bro, we're waiting. We're waiting. Now, we did just have news, so we have to wait for some structure to get formed, right? We can't take it in news, but... or right after news. This should name it the no wick play indicator, yes? I think so. I think so. Look, it has 113 uses. Who is this XAU guy? Maybe he trades the same strategy as us. Interesting. Interesting. W guy. Yeah, interesting guy. Maybe I could text him if we can work on something. I'll try to contact him after stream. Let's see if we can work together on something. Interesting. 4 hour no top. Oh, never mind. I thought the 4 hour was not. I thought the 4 hour was about to have no bottom wick. I was like, let's just wait till it comes up a bit. And now it flipped. It flipped. Why does it become so bright? Like, I don't know why it's so fucking bright. Maybe it's because... Damn, you could... My face is like glowing, bro. Why is it so bright? Did I put it behind me? This maybe? And this as well? Wow. No, never mind. That's too much. Yeah, that's too much. By the way, I was checking my Fortnite stream yesterday. Not the Fortnite stream. Not yesterday, the 2 days ago. And, like, is the quality on the stream good, guys? Like, is the quality good? Like, don't lie to me. Don't make me feel good. Is the quality actually good? Like, I'm talking top notch. What do you mean, let me go check? I'm asking about the quality. These guys are saying Bardingo, man. I can't even catch a break. Where did the video go? Yeah, it got copyright strikes. I was playing mad copyright music on it. Remember when everybody's calling Brad, let's bring that back. Let's not bring that back. Why you gotta remind these guys? Look, why do I have a bunch of Nathans in the chat? One Nathan is enough. I don't need 50 Nathans in chat. Copyright, yeah, I'm gonna stop playing copyright music, man. I think that's also why I'm getting shadow banned on YouTube. That's why a lot of you guys aren't seeing my channel, or I'm not popping up on your homepage, because I'll be playing mad copyright music. But it's so good. Like, I hate listening to this shit. Like, what am I listening to? It feels like I'm in a yoga session. QTC indicator soon. Soon, baby, soon. Very soon. I might have to start trading with indicator on the go. Yeah, bro. Especially if you're on your phone, this is great. If you're on your phone, this is great because when I'm on my phone, I can't see the small wicks. And this indicator actually shows you the one with no wicks at all. Look. So this is very good. Shout out to Ghost, bro. Shout out to Ghost X. Whoever you are, you're a G. They can make the quality better on YouTube by just, but yeah, but 180 doesn't seem good enough. Looking at this indicator with the sessions indicator is interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you could definitely, like, I'm gonna try to get in contact with the guy that made it. And we can see if we can make a custom one just for us. Adding, like, the rules and everything. But yeah, if you, like, until we do that, you guys could definitely, like, connect this. Like, you could also just look at the trend yourself. But if you're too lazy for that, you can definitely, like, confluence it with maybe a trend indicator or maybe different other indicators, like a session indicator. Let's see here. Does price just want to push? It's very clear on my screen, so your quality is excellent. All right, thank you. Like yo, Gramps, you're a G, bro. You're the only one that actually answered my question. You other guys can fuck off. I'm joking. No, don't go. I'm joking. You're right. Asian has many competition play opportunities. Yeah, bro. Asian is great. That's why I've been staying up for Asian. No more though, because my sleep schedule is fucked. Understand that was a fantastic. I find Asian to actually be counter price action. What do you mean, Nathan? You're a Forex trader. You need to get yourself a 10K camera. Yeah, I'm gonna get a probably nice camera. I don't know. Let's see. What is a nice camera? I don't know, but I'm gonna get one of those big cameras. Nice camera. Nice streaming. Yeah, just webcams come up. I mean, I think this should be fine. Like 4K. I don't know. Do I need like a big camera? Well, you guys don't even need to see my face, bro. You just need to see the charts, guys. Come on. Nah, we're good. We're good. What are we doing now? Now we are waiting for some nice price action to form. We're waiting for this to start just moving in one direction and some structure to get formed. We're waiting for possibly GJ to come up and tap this no wick play. Although it's been a fucking shit ton of candles between. But this is a tough one on GJ. We'll see. I have to think about it until we come up. AUD USD, no. You see, all our levels are broken and all our compensation plays are broken because of the news. So this is what I hate about news. This is why I low-key don't even want to stream during news, because during news I can't do shit at all. I can't do anything. During news I can't do anything at all. Because I don't trade news, and it also breaks all my levels, all my zones. So that's why I don't like news at all. Because I'm a price action trader. But here we are. So now we just have to wait. Either I want to see a closure below 21.61. That's the thing. I want to see closure below 21.2162. I mean, right here. So if we close below here, we should be able to get some nice positions to fill the range, because we always fill the range down at least to 58. If you want a proper camera, get a Sony. Yeah, I don't think I need a proper, like, unless I'm gonna start vlogging. I don't need a good camera, bro. I don't think I need to get like crazy good camera. Every news say to buy gold. Which news? Unemployment came out bad for gold. Good for the dollar. So not really, my friend. Not really. Look, this is why this indicator is so good. Because you see here, if I zoom out, this candle right here looks like a no wick candle. Right? But then you ask yourself, why doesn't it have one of these golden arrows? Well, because if you zoom in, there's a small nipple right there. It's very precise. The thing is, it's even more precise than us, because this is actually, like, the indicator goes off of numbers, right? And statistic. It does, like, all we go off of is what we can see. And our sight can fail us sometime, you know? So it's even better than our eyes, which is great. There's a compensation play on paper tubes. Yo. Man said paper tubes. Am I tripping? What is paper tubes? Let's see if it actually exists. Yeah, it doesn't exist, bro. Sorry. Otherwise I would take it. Otherwise I would take it immediately, but sorry. How do you quickly calculate lot size for the Forex pairs when you're trading? Okay, so, like, a responsible human being, which hopefully you guys are, should actually go to Forex calculator and maybe put a, like, the way I usually do it is I put a buy stop. So this is my technique to counting the lot size. I put a buy stop on where I would take a position, and then I drag the stop loss and the take profit to where I would have my stop loss and take profit, and I just see how much I would lose or how much I would win. Right? Because when you have your buy stop, without that position actually being activated, you can still see how much you lose and win. And I just do that. But the way I've been doing it recently is I've just been, you know, I think this is good, right? I've just been popping like lots that I think make sense. And if it's a little more than I expected, whatever. If it's a little less, I'll add a position, you know. But the way you should do it is, or the way I do it otherwise is I place a, let's say I place a buy stop here, right? I do this and I do this. Okay, where's my take profit? Where's my stop loss? Okay, stop loss there, take profit there, and then I just see, okay, how much will I risk if I risk 9 pips, right? Then I get an idea of how much, right? So that's how I do it. We should create a meme coin called Bingo ticker would be. Shut up, man. No meme coins. No meme coins. I'm not becoming. There's no way I become a meme coin, bro. There's no way I work this hard just to become a meme coin. Yo, so what do you do for work? Yeah, I'm a meme coin. There are so many free EAs that work like magic keys too. I use position size calculator. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. You don't have to do it the way I do it. I'm just retarded, but I mean you can do it different. You can do it in so many different ways. Yeah, create a meme coin, pay influencer to promote it, and you're a millionaire. I'm on 60 pipes. You know, 60 pipes? That's a lot of pipes, bro. Running buy, I hope it continues. How are you 60 pips and buys? Where did you buy from, bro? Did you buy over here? Bro bought over here. How are you 60 pips in profit of gold? Gold hasn't even moved 60 pips from buys. Like even if you hit the lowest point, it's only 40 pips. Both took swing trading to a whole new level. Yeah. Bro was up 200 pips and didn't close. That's actually embarrassing. What is that line, bro? Like, come on, Bart. What is that line, bro? That's actually... I need to get my shit together. Composition play works on 5-minute time frame. It does, but it risks. Yeah, like Noah said, it's risky. It's riskier, and you can't expect to catch more than like 10 pips. So if you want to scalp it, sure. Like you're gonna, like, really scalp. I'm talking closing after 10 pips. Sure. But otherwise no. But I mean, you could definitely play it. I've seen it play out on the 5 hundreds of times. Hundreds of times. Like for example now. Like let's see how this plays out. Still hasn't crossed it twice, by the way. Now he's crossed it twice. Okay, let's see how this plays out. No, but 3 different entries. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Holy shit. I have no idea, man. What we do know is we're really close from getting our position, but damn. No idea, bruv. No idea. Now this all depends on where you had your stops. But the only appropriate stop loss here would be above 2170. That's the only appropriate stop loss. Like, where else would you have your stop loss? Like, nowhere here doesn't make sense. The only place that makes sense is break out these highs. Look at what the fuck? What the fuck? What's going on? Japanese yen and that. No, what's going on, bro? Ideas. No, there's no. I don't know if this. I don't know how well this updates. This is February 29th. Never mind. Damn. Yeah, for example, you're up 10 pips now if you took this position. So, I mean, this is probably where you would close. But, or you'd wait for the flip or something. But so it can work out, but it's just you can't expect a lot of pips. Right, 12 pips. But the win rate is lower. The win rate is definitely lower. Or it's just now keep buying or close. I'd suggest closing. You're tapping right. You tap right into the support or resistance right here. Every time frame. Look at the 30 and on the 15. Right. Look at the 30 and the 15. Tap right into that support. Previous support, now resistance. So I would close here, guys, if you were in a position. Not worth it. Plus, you said you're up 60 pips. Like, how much more do you want? Sometimes you got to be content sometimes and just realize, like, what I see, I would close here. Because you still have a lot of bearish pressure. This is just a pullback. That's the top wick for that 5 minute with no top wick. Yeah, that's basically the compensation. He's saying it's the compensation. Still haven't removed this. Maybe a sell stop at 2160.4. No, bro. No, bro. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Jeez, 1 minute. No, I wouldn't take the sell stops, guys. And you guys know that I don't like sell stops. When if you guys see my reel. If you guys seen the reel, you guys know that I don't like sell stops or buy stops on the break of the lows or highs. Jeez, look at the 5-minute compensation. Played out nicely. Check the next pivot for the indicator. Bro, you told me that. This is the 10th time I'm reading that, bro. I will. Relax. Let us get it first. We kind of did, right? Here's the one. We just tested the indicator and it worked out on the 5. My brother. Too risky, bro? Yeah, the 5 is too risky. I'm telling you, the 5 is too risky. I don't personally trade the 5. I'm not, but I'm saying definitely you could definitely make profit on the 5. Like you could definitely be profitable on the 5 and have a high win rate percentage. Search the next pivot indicator. Trendoscope. Kiosef. Depends. If this is what I'm thinking it is, it's not gonna work out for us. Okay, so I guess it's just predicting price. What exactly is the point of the indicator? Just predicting where price is gonna move. Alright, let's draw it out because these indicators like to redraw themselves. These indicators like to redraw themselves. So let's draw it out and then we'll see how good it works. Alright, now we've drawn it out. Now we can remove it and let's see how well it works. Like we saw that with the crabs, with the crab indicator. Last time we used it, it hit the crab's stop loss. It hit the crab stop loss, and it just redrew the stop loss lower. Like that was top 10 betrayal moments. Like, I've never felt so betrayed in my life. Who was in chat when that happened? That was mad funny. It hit this crab stop loss, and the crab just changed his stop loss like nothing happened. It's not looking good, Rev. It's not looking good for the indicator. Do you have 7 monitors like other trades on Insta? No, bro. I have two monitors. I have 2 monitors. I'm thinking of getting a 3rd one, but even that feels like too much almost. I think 2 monitors is enough. I don't think you need more than 2 monitors. Are you in a trade? No, we're not in a trade at the moment. No trade at the moment. Look at Shotty's messy here. Okay, bro. You're done. Yeah, I don't know about the indicator, bro. I don't know about the indicator, bro. Everything's just dumping, guys. Yeah, we'll have to wait for some. We'll have to wait for some structure to get formed to price to calm down a little bit. Can't really do much here. No bottom wick. Alright, if this 15 can close below here and we can get a no wick play, we should be able to get a position. Hopefully we don't just keep driving here.
So yeah, everything is dumping, guys. Everything is dumping right now. Let's see if this 15 can close below. If this 15 can close below, we should be pretty good for a buy. For a sell, I mean. If we get a no wick play, that is. What's up, Elvis? How we doing? You're a so calm trader. Yeah, man. That's how you need to be. Yeah. W indicator. Has it redrawn itself? Let's see if it's redrawn itself. That is the wrong indicator. Where is it? GPUSD. GPUSD. Oh, would you look at that? What a surprise, guys. It redrew itself. Oh, it completely... No, this... Fuck this. Now it changed its mind. No, suddenly this is the move we're gonna make. Yeah, guys. This is where you can't get fooled by these indicators. The only indicator I would suggest is ghost wickless candles. Why? Because it doesn't redraw itself, right? It can't redraw itself. A candle that closes with no wick will always have no wick. So it cannot redraw itself because it's not telling you to buy or how, it's not predicting anything. It's just showing you the past history. And those indicators I can't support. But not these trash ass indicators. Right, indicators based on history, I can't support. Indicators that try to predict, no way, Jose. DXY so bullish. Yeah, dude, holy shit. Probably gonna come up and tap into that 103 area. Very strong area, 103.2. Very strong area in the past. Look, got a decision area here. So might be looking to come up there, guys. Might looking to come up to 103. And in that case, gold should be heading down. So I do believe, like I said, I do believe gold is gonna head down a lot. Maybe even down to 2,100. But I do think gold is gonna head down a lot. Gold price action is on its period. No, it's just news. News kind of fucked it up. This is why I like Asian so much, guys. Because first of all, Asian does not have any news. Right? Asian does not have any news. And it's like, it's so smooth. So smooth. Moves so nicely. There's no weird liquidity grabs. No news pushing price. It's slow, but when it's slow, it respects price action. Right? I'd rather have slow price action that respects my levels than have fast price action and a lot of volume that doesn't care about my levels or the compensation play or anything. You know? Because right now we have very fast volume, but the reason, but since we have very fast volume, we're not getting in candles with no wicks. Right? All the candles have wicks, and that's because there's so much volume. So that's why I like Asian so much. I wish I could trade Asian though, but I can't because it's way too late. Way too late. So I can't, but I wish I could. And I would trade Asian, but it's fucking up my routine. The thing is, if I didn't stream, I would trade Asian. But since I'm streaming, I can't. Maybe we switch. Maybe I start trading Asian and not New York. And I move to Bali. Yeah, I moved to Bali, or like I moved to the US. I moved to Florida and I become an Asian session trader. Yes. I started e-commerce business there and trade Asian. Also, I don't get taxed to death. Come to India, bro? Nah, I'm good, man. I'm good. If I ever move, I'm still gonna move to first world countries. I'll never live in a like second or third world country. So if I move, I'm either moving to the US or like Dubai. Maybe come to Dubai. One day you'll see me in Dubai. Where do you live currently? Sweden. Gold bias? Gold bias is bearish. Gold bias is bearish at the moment. You'll be most welcome. Welcome. Thank you, bro. Do you live in Dubai? Dubai isn't as expensive to visit as people think. No, definitely not. I've been to Dubai. It's not expensive at all. I mean, if you want to do this, I mean, if you want to go crazy, like if you want to go jet skiing and stuff like that, or maybe have a nice hotel, then, I mean, it all depends on how you want to live. But you don't need to spend a lot of money, right? You don't need to spend a lot of money. Like, there's people with normal jobs there. Like, they also have a society, you know? They also have construction workers. They also have plumbers, you know, and those people have normal salaries. Go to Japan and trade Asia. Nah, I can't go to Japan. Like, my rule here, if I'm gonna move, my rule is it has to be a first world country. Or there has to at least be opportunities in that country. There has to be like, it needs to be a rich country. Alright. Second rule is it has to be English speaking. So I have to be able to communicate just with English with everybody. And then I don't have a lot of choices. I have the US, I have maybe Canada, I have maybe, but there I will also get taxed to death. And then the other choices are maybe Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Bali is good for traders. A lot of traders live in Bali. Like there are a lot of like English communities there. Plumbing is a normal salary. Plumbers make bank. Oh, not bad. I didn't know that. Abu Dhabi is the best option. Why? Is it better than Dubai? If you come to the US, you'll either become real conservative or gay. Yeah, I've already chosen that side. It's alright. I've already chosen a side. Don't worry about that. At least in the US, I don't know about other countries. Yeah, the thing is, I don't want to get taxed to death, bro. It's these damn taxes. Like, do you guys know that you guys know that if you have a company in Sweden, like if you have a registered company, the tax you pay is 58%. 58. If all the money that comes into your company get taxed 58% before you can take it out. You guys don't understand. We're fucked. Yeah, if you have normal salary, it's around 38. But if you have a company, yeah, I mean, Sweden is made for middle class. Sweden is made to be middle class. That's why you get taxed a little bit if you make normal money and have a normal job. And you get taxed to death if you own a company or make more than 100K a year. So Sweden is made for you to. Sweden is not made for you to become rich. Sweden is made for you to be middle class, to be like everybody else. Because as soon as you get rich, like, and they're very strategic. Like, they're very nosy. Like, as soon as you start getting money, they're super nosy. You can't write anything off, because in the US you can write things off, right, on your company. Here in Sweden, you can't. You need to have an explanation to why you're buying that thing. If you own a car, if you own, let's say, if I have a trading company, I can't write off a car because they're going to be like, what do you need the car for? Right? So they're very nosy. They're very strict. Everything is super monitored. If your net worth is more than 170K, you also get taxed for being worth more than that every year. Yeah. Dude, Scandinavian countries are stupid, bro. They're not made for you to be rich. They're made for middle class people. Because here in Sweden, you can be middle class and live a great life. You and your wife both have a job. Normal job, doesn't matter. You could be an accountant, you can working at a bank, you could work wherever, you could be whatever you want, right? Electrician, doesn't matter. And if you have two salaries in one household, you're living great. You can buy a nice house, you can buy a new Volvo. Your kids get free college. Healthcare is free. Dental care is free. So Sweden is great for middle class people. But for the rich and for the wealthy, it's not that good at all. Every rich and wealthy guy has companies abroad that live in Sweden. So that's why whenever I see somebody with like an expensive car in Sweden, a Lambo or maybe a Ferrari or something like that, in Sweden I have extra respect for them. If it is a Swedish number plate, I have extra respect because I know how hard they had to work to get that. Like if I see, like when I'm, for example, when I'm back in Kosovo, I see a shit ton of Ferraris, Lambos everywhere. You guys don't know, if you go to Kosovo during the summer, you'll see more supercars in Monaco. Supercars everywhere. Every Albanian from Switzerland is there during the summer and has a car that they lease through the company to avoid taxes? Every single guy. Right? But here's, and so I'm like, okay, supercar, they always just off the company, leased it from the company, probably is in debt or something. Like, you know, here in Sweden, if somebody has a supercar, best believe they work their ass off. They work their ass off. Their company is doing numbers. So yeah. Does Zlatan Ibrahimovic pay taxes? What do you think, bro? The guy has residencies in like 4 countries. Doesn't need to pay tax to Sweden. I'd love to move to a Balkan country. Balkan countries are great. If you have money, amazing. If you make good money, Balkan countries are amazing. Like, there's a reason the Tates live in Romania. The Tate brothers could live anywhere in the world. They're mega rich. But why did they decide Romania? Because it favors the wealthy. They got arrested once again? Yeah, but they're free now. I saw that too. But yeah, the Balkan countries favor the wealthy. If you're wealthy, there's low tax. Right? The government isn't up your ass. You can write basically everything off. Everything and everybody is bought. Everything is corrupt. Right? In a corrupt society, having money is an advantage. Pay the officer off. Pay the guy at the bank off. Pay the taxman off. Everybody's bought there. Here in Sweden, no. You could offer a policeman in Sweden 100k, and they'd be like, no, the law is the law. Right? Super strict, super. Yeah. You guys know. Not that rebellious. W cops? Yeah, it's W cops. It is W cops, but if you're wealthy, L cops. Yeah, give them free tier 3. Yeah, imagine I get stopped. And I get like a speeding ticket. I guess, and I'm like, you know, I run this community, right? No, sir, that will be $120 fine. Or I'll give you, listen, I'll give you tier 3. Have a good day, officer. Just drive away. Sweden's such a soft country. Yep. Sweden's a failed society, guys. Like every other country in Scandinavia. Like the US. Same shit. Western countries. Same shit, guys. If you're based, you know, same shit everywhere. Swedistan, yeah, bro. We're fucked over here. Dude, LGBTQ, fucking BLM, fucking feminism, fucking mass immigration that we can't handle. It's over for us. It's literally we're on our decline. The West is on its decline, guys. I'm telling you. Move to Balkan countries or move to Dubai. Move to the Middle East, guys. I'm telling you, move to the Middle East. You guys don't know. Hong Kong, yeah. I don't care where you move. Move to Texas or Florida. We don't play any of those wacky liberal games. No, I know, but then you have the other end of the spectrum, right? Then you have the other end of the spectrum. Radicals. You have more of those people. I'm not saying everybody in Texas and Florida is that. I'm saying you have more of those. Right? There's a balance. You have to be kind of in the middle. There's a middle to everything. Balance. And I feel like Dubai and the Middle East seem to have a pretty good middle at the moment. Right, if you go to Dubai, for example, the government is strict. You can't do whatever you want. They don't promote bullshit. They don't feed their people with stupid propaganda. But also, you don't have as much freedom. You can't insult the regime. Can't insult the people running the country. Right? Can't insult the prophets. And I'm fine with that. I'd rather have that. This is depressing. Let's talk gold. Yeah, there's not really much to say about gold, honestly. No opportunities. It's respecting this super hard. We're respecting this zone right here. I can't do anything, guys. I wish I could just move the markets, but I can't. We are respecting the zone. Seems like we're coming up now. Again, we're probably making just a lower high to come further down. I'm still very bearish on gold. Very, very bearish on gold. But it does look like we're making a lower high. Right? UAE and Qatar are the best, and Saudi is good also. Yeah. That's true. Yeah, guys, not really much you can do. We have some sort of, I just realized we have some sort of pretty decent resistance right here. Yeah, that's a pretty nice one. Actually, I just realized it's a very nice resistance. Holy shit. All the way up to here. All the way up to 2169. This could be good. If you close below 66, that would be my next position. So either above or below, either above 66 or below 61. Below 61 is more plausible though. Much more plausible. And if we close below and get a no wick play, I'm gonna take that bitch, but we'll have to wait for it. Can't force anything. Have to let the market do its thing. Let's see. No compensation plays in sight. Nope. Nope. No. Ooh. Let's see if we can come up here. Same with AUD, I think. Yeah. Now it's still very early in the candle. So again, this candle has a lot of time to flip, but assuming this candle doesn't flip, we could get a nice position here, guys. On AUD and NSD. NSD New Zealand dollar would be much better since you have less of an imbalance. AUD, you have more of an imbalance, right? You do have an imbalance right here. In New Zealand dollar, you don't really have an imbalance, right? You have these wicks. So you should be pretty good. So I'd rather take the New Zealand dollar play. Yeah, no possible positions on USD CAD either. US 30. No possible positions there either. So no, can't really do anything, guys. We'll just have to wait. But if we come up on New Zealand dollar and Australian, should be able to get some nice sells, guys. Nice sells to continue down. Because I do think dollar is making a pretty big rebound. It's gonna make a pretty strong rebound. In which case, all the pairs with dollar as the denominator will push down, obviously. Hello, is there any indicator that shows these points? Yes. X goes to wickless candles is the indicator we're currently using. Should we do a giveaway, guys? SA said he forgot to do the giveaway. Maybe I'll do a giveaway instead at the end of the stream. Do you guys want a giveaway? If we hit 100 likes, I'll do a giveaway. It's gonna be tough, but if we hit 100 likes, we're gonna do a giveaway. Since SA forgot, I'll do one. But we have to hit 100 likes. That's my only. Not a chance? What do you mean not a chance? That you guys hit 100 likes? Hey, those are my conditions. Those are my conditions. Damn, the 15 just flipped. Fuck. Yeah, the 15 just flipped, guys. God damn it. He did not forget there was an issue with the screen. Oh, okay. But I'll do the giveaway instead. I'll do the giveaway instead if we hit 100 likes. So you guys know the deal. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Type in the community chat. Do whatever you can to get 100 likes. Ooh, yeah, dude. Dude, we're rejecting so hard, and this is also why I said, guys, this is very important. There was somebody in chat that asked me about buy stops. Buy stops at break of these lows. This low right here. And I said no. Why? Because you guys know, if you watch my reel, there's a reason we don't take buy stops on the break of the lows. There's a real reason we wait for closures. And that's because a wick could easily be a liquidity grab. Right? Because you're not the only one that's taking the buy stops at the break of the lows. That's like one of the most common things to do. Buy stop the break of the lows. So that's why. Sell stops. I mean sell stops. My bad. I mean sell stops. So sell stops at the break of the lows. Reason we don't do that is because a wick is easily a liquidity grab. What you don't want to do. Oh my god. Never mind. That was just a 5. I thought the 15 had no top wick. What you don't want to do is have a sell stop. Reason being is a wick is easily a liquidity grab. That's why you wait for a closure, right? So if we close below, then sure, we could take the buys down, sells down. But as long as we just break the lows, that's easily just a liquidity grab. Because how many times do you see price? How many times do you, if you draw a range, you'll see we draw a range here, right? We go on the 15 or 30. Okay, so we have our ranges, right? How many times do you see us wick above the ranges and come and close respecting? Right, so many times. Wicked above, close respecting. Wicked below, close respecting. Wicked above, close respecting. Wicked above, close respecting. Wicked above, close respecting. You see? So many times. That's why you wait for closures. Look at this liquidity grab. Like I said, guys, so on the higher time frames, it's a wick. On the lower time frames, it's a closure. So that's why we also look for the high time frame closures, not just the lower time frame closures. So never, like, break of the lows, don't assume the break of the lows mean anything. Just think the break of the lows is just you're tapping outside of range. And tapping outside of range and closing outside of range are two very different things. Very different confirmations. Yeah, today seems like one of those days where we're not going to get anything during New York, and I'm just going to send signals, like a shit ton of signals like yesterday. I got it won't happen against her. Yo, for your own sake, my brother. For your own sake. I'm saying this to try to get you to look at it from a different perspective. Because I've been a victim of that mistake way too many times. You check GBP CAD? Yeah, you have a very strong support area right here on GBP CAD. Right there. Tapping right into that. Looks like you're just pulling back. On the higher time frames, that should be a nice pullback. Yeah. Looks like you're pulling back, guys. Pulling back to probably make a lower high and then come back down. Now, interesting thing here is... No, you didn't. Never mind. I thought you had a no-wick play, but you didn't. So yeah. Just looks like you're making a lower high to come up further down. You're tapping right into that resistance. You broke these lows, which means you're continuing the trend, right? After you're breaking the lows, you're continuing the trend. Or you broke the trend even, because you were moving sideways for a while. And then you grab liquidity. This looks like a liquidity grab to then break the lows and come down. Now what did you do, right? Consolidated, came up, filled this imbalance, grabbed liquidity, closed back below range, broke the lows, came back up, retesting, and now it looks like you're about to come down again. So yeah, that is my prediction for GBP CAD. I do think we're going to come back down and fill this wick, because you have a big wick to fill also to the downside. On the 4 hour, same, 4 hour is still in a steady downtrend. Steady downtrend. Tapping into these lows. Now you did close respecting, or you're about to close respecting on the 4 hour. I mean, you can't really say you have 3 hours left. But the 4 hour did reject off of this area, which is you have a very strong area here on the 4 hour as well. But again, I could definitely see us filling the wick down. And as long as you don't break these highs, you should be good. Because if you break these highs, then you have broken the trend. So if you break 1.2773, then you've broken the trend, and you should see yourself heading up to tap up to 1.73193. So that would be my prediction. This range does get filled, so best believe you come up here, you should be able to fill the range back up again. No Zoom link today. Oh, I forgot to send the Zoom link. My bad. My bad. My bad. Forgot to send the Zoom link. Head and shoulders on GBP CAD. Talking about the 4 hour, I'm guessing. Yeah, even the head and shoulders tells you you're gonna come down, but again, or maybe even like if you want to zoom out even more, right? So even the head and shoulders is telling you should come down. Now I don't trade head and shoulders, but if you use that as confluence, it tells you that you're gonna come down. Oh, dude. It's a barcode at the moment on gold. Ah! Look at that nipple wick. Yeah, no compensation plays inside, guys. No compensation plays inside. Nothing we can really do here. It's gonna be one of those days. This has been the story for the past days. New York has been shit. Like New York has been trash for us. The last couple of days, it's just been New York has been really slow on stream. Haven't been able to catch anything on stream, and then during like Asian and late New York, like during like 2 p.m., 3 p.m. EST, even 4. We start just hammering signals. Like yesterday, I saw so many opportunities, right? I think we sent like 5 signals yesterday. We sent like 5 signals yesterday during Asian and late New York, which are like together almost 200 pips. It's gonna be one of those days, guys. So be ready for tonight, because tonight probably gonna get some very nice signals. But during New York, again, I'm trying to make plays. I'm trying to find opportunities. I'm trying to find plays, but the market doesn't give it to me. Now we have a 15 closure here. Let's see if we can get a top wick. Ooh, top wick, top wick, top wick. There's a top wick. Did we close below? Let's see here. 5 close below. 15 close below. 30, 4 hour. This wick should get filled. We are tapping into very strong support though. If we get a retest, I might be looking for a position here, guys. If you're gonna retest at 2161, this could be a good position here, boys. Till when you will be streaming? I need to break my fasting. I'll be streaming till around 11:30, 12. We're just gonna drive here. I mean, you're close below, so you're gonna drive, obviously. But I'm just forcing myself to not take anything. Not anything other than a compensation play or no wick play. Like I said, you guys know that. We have narrowed our strategy and we're gonna be disciplined to it. Even though this is very tempting to get in here. Because I do believe you're gonna come down and fill at least this wick. Like, I do believe you're gonna get this wick fill, which is gonna be around 15 pips. And you also fill this range almost every single time. So it's a very tempting sell because it is a high probability sell, but no, I'm forcing myself to stay disciplined. Burning like a candlelight. I wish we could play some Kanye, bro, but these damn copyright strikes, man. They're messing my channel up. Yeah, have you guys seen the last fucking days for signals? I was just looking at the journal. This was our last losing day was last month. This month, no losing days. 10 pips, 43 pips, 27 pips, 30, 50, 40, 10, 45, 14, 154 yesterday. Crazy, guys. This month has been, March so far has been really good to us. Doubly March. No losing day. Whole of March, no losing day. Is that the retest? That's a retest. We do have a pretty steep wick on this candle, so I'm not gonna take it. But that is the retest. Now we could get a no wick play on the 30 if the 30 closed below. We're selling gold? Not quite yet. Not quite yet. We're waiting for a no wick play. Oh, if we broke the highs on GBP CAD, so the way I would take this compensation play is if we broke these highs and then came back down, I would take it. Because then we would break out the trend, closure above, come down to grab liquidity, aka compensate for the no wick. And that would be our entry. But now we did not break the highs, so then if we didn't break the highs, we're still in a bearish trend. So it looks like we're just going to continue that. On the other pair, looking good. Nope. 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 And nope. Yeah, New York has been rude to us. You know I don't bought your signals yet. You got to give me something on stream, brother. This is a thing, like, I'm trying to give you guys something, but I can't. It's not giving me anything. The market is not giving me anything. It's not like I'm not giving you anything. It's just the Asian market and the late New York has been better to me. Alright, bro, give me a signal. I will go full margin. There's no way I will get out of this drawdown without gambling. Yo, if you want to gamble, okay, so here's the thing. I'm against gambling, right? I'm against gambling, guys. But if you want to gamble, gamble during news. This is not a good opportunity to gamble. Don't gamble now. Wait for high impact news and then gamble. So, if you want to gamble, wait for news, and then gamble. Hey, don't forget to drop a like, guys. We got a lot of people here. Don't forget to drop a like. Show some appreciation. Don't be slackers. I wonder where Creed is. %99 of traders are one gamble away from winning. Yeah, guys. That's right. You're only one gamble away from being rich. So why not take that chance? Just do it. Yeah, I know, I'm joking. If I have more discipline like you, I probably would be profitable by now. Hey, bro. You know where your fault is. Just work on it. You know where you're lacking. And I always say this, the first sign of check charts. Gambling since 1994. Was this news? No, this was not. This was now. What was this? I can't tell what that is, bro. After news. Oh, okay. You see? Good morning, Jack. Good morning, bro. Yeah, like I said, high probability sells. Filled the wick down. Right, as expected. Yeah, what's up, Kehan? Oh, fuck yeah, dude. I despise this music, man. I feel like these pre-stream naps are just fucking me up anymore. Are just fucking me up more. Bro, literally went to sleep at 2:30 playing FIFA. And you're already up? W David, bro. That's dedication. That's dedication. That is dedication. I ain't gonna lie. So we have a 30-minute closure. If the 30-minute close below here, we should be good to sells. Never mind, we should not be good for sells. I just realized that we tapped, kind of overshot. Yeah, never mind. Never mind, guys. We're not good for sells. I just realized that we overshot completely. Overshot, tapped at the bottom of this range. And here's the thing. Even if we close below, look what happened in the past, right? Look at this wick. Look at this wick. We'll wick down through these areas. And then even though you close below, you still pull back. Right? So here you could close below still and still pull back. You could definitely mirror this move right here. Easily mirror that move. There's nothing telling you that you won't just close below and still reject. Nothing at all. The best way to take play like this is if you haven't filled the range yet. That's the best play. That's why we always wait for ranges to get filled, and we always draw our support and resistance in a way ranges do get filled. So next time we come to that range or we close below, we have an idea that, okay, we need to come down, fill the range, and then we can come back up. Right, so if this wick was only till here, these cells would be nice. But now it just looks like we want to mirror the move to the left. You see it? Hopefully no bottom wick on the next 30. Yeah, we'll see here, but we need to close below as well. Or maybe for you it doesn't, but for me it needs to close below to be able to take it. If it doesn't close below, then we wait. But if it closes below, we could be... it's not going to close below. It's not going to close below. Okay, gold, this is how you want to play, huh? This is how you want to play, huh? Now you're retesting as well, which is nice. You are retesting. I mean, it's a good bearish close. I ain't gonna lie, it's a good closure to come down. It's a good closure to come down. You did not close back above. You closed respecting, and the 30 has no bottom wick now. It's not a bad play, guys. It's not a bad play at all. Yeah, retested the area. Dude, the 30 looks so good. If you remove the drawings, look at that. Where would stops be? Let's see if we can come a little further. How many pips was that? That was... If we can come up to around 63.7, I'm willing to take this. If we're willing to test the top of that range again, I'm willing to take this. I need a bigger top wick though, because the 30 is, again, it's the beginning of the 30. I do need the 30 to come up and then start flipping at the end of the candle, or the second half. It's gonna flip, isn't it? No, it's not. Let's see now. Have to be very careful here. Tapping right at the top of that resistance on the 5, on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. That's a 5 minute compensation too, guys. Yeah, I'll have to take this. I have to take this. It's a no wick after respecting. Also a 5 compensation. Just tapped it. Yeah, I'm selling gold here, guys. I'm selling gold here. Let's see now. Stops maybe break of the highs. Potentially break up to 2170.58. We'll see. We'll see how we'll have to manage the trade, but we'll see. We should be able to grab some quick move right here. Alright, that's it, boys. 30-minute flip will be stops to break even. Now we just wait. Let's see now if we can flip. That should be pretty. We should be able to come down and fill the previous wick if we flip. That's a 5-minute close. The 5-minute close, no bottom wick. Close respecting though. 5-minute close respecting, which is nice. The only time I'd consider getting out of the position is if we close above. If we close above 2163, if we close above this line right here, I'd be looking to get out on the bottom wick. I'd break even. That's how I would manage this position. So the only way is we come down, or we come up, close above on the 5. Next 5 comes down, I get out of break even. That's the only that's the only way I would manage this position. But unless we close above 21.63, we should be able to come down pretty easily. And also if the 30 doesn't want to flip the last couple of minutes. So look out for that. If the 30 is not flipping, on the last half of the candle, so when there's 15 or 16, 15 minutes left, if it's not starting to pull back by then, we might look to get out. Or if the 5 closes above 21.63. That's how we manage the position. Otherwise, stops to break even at the 30-minute flip. Maybe close 25% because that will be around 13 pips. Close maybe 25%, secure some profits, and then just wait for us to fail the wick down to TP. So that's going to be how we're going to manage this position. So now let's see what we do here. I'm not recording. How am I not recording? Alright, so we're in a position here, guys. I just took a gold sell. Off the no wick play while closing respecting. And the 5-minute compensation play. Okay, good. I have the intro for the reel. That the flip? No. So close to flipping. There's a flip. We can move stops to break even here, guys. This is now a risk-free trade. Should be able to fill the wick up. If we reflip, I might consider just closing full and just being happy with the profits. But it should be pretty easy to drive down. You know what I'm gonna do here, guys? I'm gonna close 80% and leave runners. So my position was closed. My position was closed at around 22 pips. Why, if I may ask? We're securing profits. It's also... It seems like it's losing a little bit of volume here. We're also tapping right into this general wick area. We have a general wick area here, as you can see. Price likes to wick to these areas a lot. So it is an area of rejection. So yeah, I'm just securing the profits. Happy with my 22 pips. And if we get a runner down to TP, then I have my 20% left. So, you know, can't complain. I swear that no wick play is a part of the elite's playbook. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It really is. Yo, I'm not satisfied with the amount of W's in the chat. I only see like Noah, Kehan, Lyrical Tunes, Jack. We should get some more W's in chat. Come on. There we go, chat. New York actually gave us something this time. There we go, chat. Yeah, that's actually crazy. New York actually gave us something. W New York. W New York. You know, as soon as like... Okay, I get it. Like, the reason we won this trade was not because we flipped or we just decided to wick fill or anything like that. The reason we won this trade is because I started recording. Right? I started as soon as I pressed record, I was like, okay, this trade is done. Because you can't fail the real, right? You can't take an L on real. So that's why gold decided to move. It was like, alright, listen, let me give it to him. Gold was camera shy. They gotta perform now. Cameraman never dies. Exactly. So whenever you guys are losing a trade, just press record. Just record the trade. I got in buys. How low you think I should stay? By the way, you guys remember that I told you guys that I was gonna start. I asked you guys on Discord if I was gonna start an account, a fresh account, and just trade that. And I asked you guys what balance y'all wanted, and you guys said $100, which is a little low, but I gotta listen to you guys, right? So it's looking pretty good now. $100 is crazy, I know, but hey, that's who won. Right, I asked you guys for a reason. 101, that's what we're gonna do. Do 1K. Yeah, I know, but I can't ask the guys and then go against what they're saying. Doesn't work. You know? Full margin 100. I've been risking a lot. Since yesterday's trade, we're sitting at let me pull up the account. There it is. Since all the trades I took yesterday, after I asked you guys, we're sitting at $170. I've been risking a lot, though. We'll see how far we can grow this. And that's only the compensation play on all pairs and the no-wick play. Now, granted, I've been risking a lot, but the reason I'm risking a lot is because you have to with $100. I may be risking 10-20% of the account. Imagine a bigger account. Yeah, if I started with $1,000 account instead, this would have been $700 in 2 days of worth of trading. And that's just the compensation play. That's just the compensation play on all different pairs that I have here. On all these pairs. GBP, GJ, AUD, New Zealand dollar. No risk. Yes, sir. One loss is GG's. No, I'm still risking 10-20%. So we're good. You risk 10-20% per trade. Yeah, on the $100 account, yes. Not on my real account, obviously. But on the $100 account that I'm testing out for the stream, yes, I'm risking a lot. Been losing a lot lately. Any suggestions? Yes, learn the QTC playbook. Or you could do what Khan also said. That also works. Start journaling your trades. But try to learn the no-wick play and the compensation play, and I guarantee. Okay, due to the fact that I have funded 50k max risk. I max risk 1 to 1.5%. Yeah, dude, don't risk 10 to 20% on your normal account or on a funded account, right? No. You can't risk 10% on a funded account. It's stupid. I'm just saying, if you have a smaller account, you could risk more. Are you trading the 100th account live or on your own? I'm trading it live with you guys. Every trade I call out on the signals and the trade I take on live streams, I'm taking on my live or my own account and my live account. Or my $100 account. I'm doing that just to show that you can grow a small account. You can easily grow a small account with just these two plays. You'd have to lose 10 trades in a row to blow it. Exactly. I mean, 10% sounds bad. But if you have a solid strategy and you're confident and you've traded for a while, imagine losing 10 trades in a row. If you lose 10 trades in a row, you deserve to blow your account. What's the risk on 100? 10 to 20% per trade. But I try to stick around 10. But if it's a really good setup, like if it's a real like no wick and compensation play with liquidity grabbed and everything, yeah, then I could risk maybe 20. But otherwise, on a play like this one that we just took, I'd risk maybe 10% on this one. I did risk 10% on this one. I risked 10% and I made 5%. A little more than 5%. So it was a bad RR, but high percentage. Unfunded, that level of risk is impossible to replicate. Yeah. I'm not telling you guys, unfunded, keep your risk low, max 1%. But still take the setups. Okay, I see. So you're trading with the paid signals and the signals you provide in live stream. Yes. We have. Yeah, you would have been out break even here. So good thing we closed most of the position, guys. You see, am I out break even? Yeah, I'm out break even here, or my position is out. It's a good thing we closed. Yeah, so again, your question, yes, the signals I send on live stream are obviously free. We also have a free channel on my Discord, which we send free signals sometimes. So if you go to my channel, all you need to do is you need to just verify, press the get verified button right here. Press that button and then you will have access to all these chats. Now you won't have access to these, obviously, like the different tier 3, tier 2 signals, tier 1, gold, oil, and Forex and all that. But you will, like, let's just remove these. You will have access to everything else. And free signals, we send free signals sometimes. So far we've sent 32, 50 pips play, 50 pip plays, 30 pip plays, right? We send like once a week, two times a week sometimes. But yeah, all the Asian trades, Asian session trades, and all the other trades are sent on the paid signals. RR is irrelevant. It's not irrelevant, but it's not as relevant if you have a higher win rate percentage, which we do. So RR is completely based on your win rate. RR is relevant. Win rate is also relevant, but RR and win rate goes hand in hand, right? Higher RR, lower win rate, still profitable. Higher win rate, lower RR, still profitable. Low win rate, low RR, unprofitable. High win rate, high R. Fucking, what's his name? Warren Buffett. R is there's no way better, David. You can't say R is way better. It's completely contingent on your win rate. RR and win rate are completely. There's nothing like. They're not. You cannot just take one of them, right? They're always They always go together. So there's no real. You can't say one is better than the other. Because you can have a really big RR and a very low win rate, and if the win rate is low enough, you're still not profitable. And then you can have a really high win rate, but a really low RR, and then you're still not profitable. So they're equally as important. Equally as important. It just depends on what you wanna play, right? So you could have an RR of 1 to 10, for example, or 10 to 1, and then you might win shit ton of trades in a row. But when you lose, you wipe out maybe 2 months. Or you could have like us, for example. We have a pretty high win rate, right? And it's not a very bad RR. Try to go for a 1 to 1, or maybe sometimes positive, sometimes negative, but we try to stay around 1. And then we win and we lose sometimes, right? We don't go on these massive streaks. We lose sometimes. We lose maybe 2 times a week. Yeah. So it depends on what you want to do. What loss size do you use when you risk 10% Bard? Sorry for asking too much. I'll be using 0.04 on gold for my $100 account. 0.04. Finally in New York trade. I feel so shit waking up every day and seeing the 1 signals during Asian. Yeah, finally we got one. Finally New York was good to us. For the signals, are you using MT5 Discord signal bot? Don uses receivers, you don't. No, I'm not. It's $50, it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Trying to speak as objectively as possible without being biased, obviously, because it's our community. I think the signals are definitely worth it. I think if I'll make you this deal, guys. If anybody that buys the signals, if after that month of the signals, after the first month of signals, you can prove to me that you were not profitable from our signals, that you lost money, that you did not have a good ROI, I'll refund you, and I'll pay you back whatever we lost you. Generally speaking, RR is better for psychology. Bigger wins, smaller losses. Clip it, guys. Yeah, clip this. Clip this if you want. Man of my word. Generally speaking, yeah, depends, bro. Depends. People will only lose if you have risk. Yeah, assuming you have a good risk management. Now, guys, you can't go full margin, blow your account, and be like, look what you did to me. No, assuming you have good risk management and you have basic Forex knowledge, should be good. Yo, what is it going? It's going good, bro. How are you? Yeah, David, but you see, that's not the best marketing way. You know, the best way would be to have a very, very low RR, but a high win rate, and market the shit out of that win rate. right? And then you might lose once a month, right? You might lose once a month and feel shit for a couple days, but the rest of the month you feel amazing because you're winning. Small wins, but a win is a win. Is it good to take buy now? No, I'd wait. I'd wait. So wiki though. Price action is so wiki. No, you need to break the highs to take that play. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. And nothing here. And nothing here. I'm not saying the signals are worth it. Yes, they are, but that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying the MT5 Discord bot is $50 and you have 3 people putting signals in. So 150, like, you don't make that in one trade. Yeah. True. But I'll take some. Oh yeah, the reason I don't have a bot like that, or I'm not considering one, is because I take some trades that I don't send in signals. I take some trades that I don't send in signals. Sometimes, very low chance that I do it, but sometimes I take some, because I always evaluate: should I send this as a signal, or should I not? Because I'm trying to provide the best possible service for you guys. And the best possible service for you guys is not the best possible for me, right? I might take some lower probability trade sometimes. Maybe trying out a new strategy or something on a lower account, or maybe a lower lot size. And if I don't turn the EA off, or I don't turn the bot off, it's gonna send those signals to you guys. I'm definitely gonna forget, because you guys know I forget a lot. I forget to record, I forget to wake up, I forget to stream. So, yeah. Your refund is also a demo. Nah, bro. You trying to squeeze money out of me? Then you could simply click the button to turn it off. It's so easy to use. Like, I just took that sell off of the signal and you had 6 pick better entry. I clicked the sell within 4 seconds of the signal. Are you in the signals chat? Because when I send the signal, I don't enter position and then type the signal out. I type the signal out. I have my finger on enter and my finger on the buy button. And as soon as I buy, like boom, buy, enter. So I always type the signal out before it happens. I don't type it after I take the position. Type the signal before, like, once the position is coming. And then as soon as I press buy, I also press enter and send the signal to you guys. So I'm very quick. Now, the only way you guys could get a bad entry is if you, like, until you open your phone, maybe you see the signal on Telegram, open your phone, go into MetaTrader, place the order, like, you know. So if you're on your toes, you should be able to catch it. Also, missing the signal by 2-3 pips is not a make or break. We caught 23 pips, you caught maybe 18 or 20. You know, it's not a make or break. It's not like I will lose and you will not. Or I will win and you will not. If I win, you will win, regardless of if you miss the signal by 2-3 pips. It's not a make or break. But yeah, if you want the exact entry, well, I guess you'll have to be in Zoom, right? The guys in Zoom are the only ones that get it completely, like, with no delay at all. 0 delay. Either you have to be in Zoom or in the room with me. Those are the two options. Either you're in the room with me or you're in Zoom. I know. It just would be seamless, so it's fine. Yeah, I'll maybe look it out in the future. Can we come in the room with you? No, you cannot. You're trying to reach the room. Tier 4. Tier 4, dropping tier 4. Boom. People who take your signals need to risk just like you to make your profits. If you have a different stop loss than me, then yeah, obviously. Because if I'm profitable, you're gonna be profitable. But then you need to. That's why I send the stop loss and take profit. I don't just say sell gold now. I say sell gold now. This is my top loss and my strict take profit. That's the signal. The signal is the whole shebang. It's not just buy or sell. It's buy or sell, when to close, percentages, where to put your stop loss, where to add positions. Sometimes I'm lazy to join Zoom, but I'm here for YouTube algorithm. Thank you, man. I hope the YouTube algorithm keeps pushing us out there. It did once. Once in a time, it actually did. Like during December, it pushed us out on the homepage. That's when I think that's when we got a lot of people. The way you risk, because you risk differently from 90% of traders. Oh. The percentage-wise, yeah. Most people have fixed percentage. I think you can be profitable even with fixed percentage. I think if you wanna, I think you can still be profitable if you risk fixed percentage. Personally, I find your Instagram from ad. No way! You actually found my ad. I've made like one ad that I paid for. And I thought they were just bots. I thought the people that see the ads are just bots. Like they just make it look like you're getting a lot of views. Just to make your money worth. But they're just brainless fucks. W ads. Yeah, W ads. Maybe we should do more ads. I'm bad at marketing though, guys. I'm not a marketer, you know. I just like to trade, and I try to showcase. I try to showcase our results, you know. Tier 3 get to watch over Bard's shoulder. Yeah, tier 3, you're literally here. We just have a bunch of people standing behind me. Are the tier 4 members? I only bought the signals so when I take the trades, there's confluence, because all trades this week I was contemplating taking, and some got better into it because I saw the play. Yeah, I mean, you could use the signals as a confluence as well. That is like almost the best way to take the signals. That is the way to take the signals. The way to take the signals is to use it as a confluence, right? So you see the signal, you watch the charts, you agree with the signal, boom, take it. That is the best way to take the signals, guys. Tier 4 has to be guru pricing, 5-figure minimum. Yeah, I came from Insta too. But was it an ad though? Or was it just a reel? Because like most people came from the reels, obviously, like the free reels, the organic content. Bro, how you took this trade? Simple. We had a 30-minute, which is a strong time frame, candle with no bottom wick, that also had a very big bottom wick to fill. So you had a wick fill down. So it was a wick fill, no bottom wick play, retest. So what happened was the 30 closed below, had this huge wick to fill. This was the candle, by the way. Closed below, right here, most recent. This is the most recent. Closed below, left a huge bottom wick, which means you have a lot of range down. Next candle came up, retested, and had no top bottom wick at all. So it's a no wick play, it's a retest, it's a closure below, it's the wick fill. So I have four strong confluences, and then we just waited for us to tap that area. Also, it's the 5-minute compensation play, right? You see here, 5-minute had no top wick, came up, tapped that. Look at that beautiful compensation play on the 5. Tapped that 5 compensation play, and then drove down. So that is why we took the trade. A lot of shit went into this trade. A lot of confluences. Very, very high probability trade. Got you, man. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This trade was A++. Yeah, this trade was A++. This was like one of the highest probability trades on the in the QTC strategy. Only problem with the trade for runners is that we only had 20 pips until the next strong support. So I closed full at 20 and actually got 7 pips. Oh, let's fucking go. Yeah, reason I left runners is because I wanted this is the next support, right? The next support is 57. That's also the wick fill. Now we're gonna come down there either way, but unfortunately we had to come up. And that's what I was expecting, right? I was thinking we're probably gonna come up and grab some liquidity before driving down. That's what we did. So the 20% got stopped out. So I'm lucky we closed 80%. And we got our profits. But yeah. I'm gone though. Deuces. See you, David. When I'm at work and my boss realizes I'm not working, he'll say, get to work, and I'll say, I'm with Bard. He'll say, Bard, man, get to work. Yo, I thought you were gonna... Oh, damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. I thought you were gonna be like, oh, Bard, that's fine. No need to work. Come back tomorrow. Had me in the first half, not gonna lie. You should tell your boss to... You should tell your boss to come to the stream sometime. Bard, your birthday is next month? Nope. My birthday is not next month. Ooh. No wick on USD CAD, no wick on all. No, there's gonna be a no wick on blood of pairs. Never mind, we have a no wick on USD CAD and on GJ. No, on GU. Damn, the runners just got out of break even. That's crazy. No more oil? Not at the moment, no. No. We're chilling with oil right now. Let's get the Forex trades going. Let's get the Forex trades going. Let's get some gold trades going, and we'll get to oil later. We have time. What do you use for your lot size in relation to your gold lots? What do you use for your lot size in relation to your gold lot size? Or do you calculate it every time? I don't even take the Forex trades because I'm too lazy to get into lot size. Don't be lazy, man. Don't be lazy. That's the first thing. The second thing is, I kind of just wing it. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I literally just wing it. I have some sense. What I do to initially, like if I want to calculate the lot size initially, if I need to calculate the lot size initially, I'll place a sell stop or a buy stop. Lot size depends on the stop loss. No, yes it does. But here's what I do. So if I'm looking for a trade, I'll look, for example. Now you only need to do this for the first month because then you get a sense, right? Then you get a sense. So you only need to do this for the first month. But what you do is, if you're too lazy to use this lot size calculator, you place a buy stop. So let's say I place a buy stop here without price, like not too close so you actually accidentally get activated, but pretty far away. And then you take your stop loss and you say, okay, what's my max stop that I would have? Okay, my max stop is, let's say my max stop is 70%. No, 70 pips. My max stop is 70 pips. And then I take my my stop loss on my sell stop or buy stop, and I drag it all the way to where 70 pips is. Let's take my stop loss and I drag it to 70 pips. So this is 80 pips, 70 pips is right here. Okay, perfect. So I drag it to 70 pips. Down here, boom. And now I see. I tried to use a lot size where this will be 5% of my account, or whatever percentage you want to risk. Let's say you want to risk max 2% or max 3%. I risk max 5% on my personal accounts. So now I would take my stop loss, put it 70 pips, and then use the different lot sizes and see which lot size is 5% when stop loss is 70 pips. And then I just use that lot size. That's how we do it. Right, so place a buy stop, put the stop loss at 70 pips, and then go between different lot sizes to see which one will result in a 5% loss of your account. Could possibly use the Forex lot size. Yeah, you could use lot size calculator, but this is how I did it before I knew about lot size calculators. This is how I did it early on to calculate the percentage of my account. No indicator. It's a free indicator. Really? Really? I didn't know that. Forex lot size calculator. Oh, I'll add that. Thank you. Yeah, or you could just use that, guys. Wait, no way. Yo, Juicebox, you asked me the question and then you answered me. You you asked how I calculate my lot size, and you were like, "There's a free EA called position size you can use." Yo, that's crazy. TP smacked? Yeah, TP smacked, but I'm out break even. I was out break even with my 20%. Also, I would just have a strong marriage with gold. Yeah, so do I. So do I, but I cheat sometimes. I'm not monogamous with gold. These other pairs also look very nice. Ooh, open relationship type here? No, only for my side. What tier has a zoom, by the way? Tier 3. Tier 3 has a zoom. Zoom. DJ got the dumpy? Yes, sir. That's crazy, bro. What did I just read? Holy shit. Look at USD cat, bro. Yeah, these things are pumping, guys. I'm surprised gold isn't falling like these pairs. Like, gold is holding up very well. Like, look at... Oh my god! Look at DXY, guys. DXY is pushing hard. Very weird that gold isn't pushing as hard as DXY. Very weird. Because gold is holding up very well, which means that there's some fundamental force still holding up gold, right? Because gold should be just driving down. Driving down as DXY drives up, gold should be driving down the same way. But there's some fundamental thing holding up gold. There's some sentiment. So be careful with gold, guys, right now. Because it's not strongly correlated to the dollar. Not at this moment. It's not strongly correlated to the dollar. Usually it is, but look at the dollar moving, look at the gold moving. Something's holding up gold. I don't know what it is. Bitcoin is holding it up. Could it be? Could it be? Maybe that bust you drew the other day. Oh shit. Yeah, I think that's the case. I forgot to... The rope is still tied. I forgot to take away the rope. Not bad, guys. Not bad for holding price. My bad for holding gold price up. I forgot. I drew a bus. I gotta go watch that. You weren't here last year? Me drawing a bus is a red folder, you know? Probably Bard doesn't know who Jerome is. Talk about I don't know who Jerome is. I know Jerome on a first name basis. That's my dog. I don't even call him Jerome, I call him JP. That's my dog JP from back home. Don't know Jerome. Peace out, Juicebox. Much love, brother. They have lunch once a week, exactly. It's my lunch buddy. When he charges his phone through his PC. Yeah, I don't know why I do that. It's because the contact's too far away. I need to buy like a long ass charger. But the contact is so far away. Yeah, guys, should we call it a day here? I think we should call it a day. There's no plays in sight. Nothing we can do at the moment. Gold is losing a little bit of volume. We caught our play. We made our money. Let's call it a day, guys. Let's call it a day, shall we?
Yo, what's good?
Yo. Alright.
Next, no trade.
Yo.
Ooh, range.
Are you at the office?
No, not today. Price. Bro.
Bro.
Sure.
Bro, you guys don't know how crazy that is. What the fuck?
Sure.
Third guess. Holy shit. Okay, and you cheated, bro.
No, bro. That's the first thing that comes to mind.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Dude, I have to take a picture of this. It's actually insane. Third try? Third guess, no red or yellow guesses.
Trade range price.
Let's go, Wordle. Okay.
Alright, so it's an E.
So there's no T, R, A, or D.
Damn, I want to say price again, but there's no R.
Okay, not bad, not bad.
C and N.
Prince. Prince doesn't fit, bro. Oh, no, R as well, yeah. Is pence a word? Isn't it? Niece.
Mike Pence?
Niece is a good one. But like pence, like, isn't that like a British currency? Like 50 pence? No.
No, that's.
Am I tripping? Yes, it is. It's a British coin. I don't think that's a word in American though, but in American English. What do you say? What did you say? Niece. Ooh. Okay, so we know the word. So N is here, basically. So it's something, and then it's INCE. So just, what letter could be here? Since. Yeah. Way. Let's go.
Those are too easy today.
Yeah, today was really easy. Do we play another game or do we call it a day, guys? Since these two went so quick.
What else you got?
We got that combination game.
Yeah, right.
Alright. Combination. David liked this game, but I think David is gone. Okay, so how many words we got? We got 27 words, guys. Alright.
So what, you just have to find the right word?
Yeah, you have to combine. You see these different letters? You have to combine them and make words. And then each one of these combinations they can be used. You see the number here? That's how many times they can be used. So this one can be used once, and then they expire. Okay, so we have a bunch of words here. So we have tape. We have liver. We have moaned. Peed. Lied. Reversal. Reversal. We have tape. We did that one, I think. Salmon. This should go pretty quick. Salmon. All right, so these two are gone now. That's good.
RENT.
Huh?
Rent. RENT.
Rent. There you go.
Rented.
Ooh, okay. Lint. Peng. Peng fam. No, that's not a word.
Oh, billing. BILLING.
That's a good one. Lime. Tame is a good one too. Pete, I'm going to pee. Alright, Michael. See you, bro. Have fun. Rebuilding. Yo.
Oh, crazy.
Yo, WMT, man. That's crazy. Meta. Lied, we did lied. I think. Yeah.
TARE.
TA. Tar? Is that a word? I didn't know that. Do we do tame? Yeah, we did. Retape. Oh, that's not a word. Repent. Nice one.
How about me?
No, I think it has to be a combination. We did liver.
No, it said repent. Did you get repent?
Yeah, we did that one. Tang. I didn't know tang was a word. I thought like Wu Tang. I didn't know it was actually a word. Revered. Yeah, Emmett, you're actually good at this, bro. Linger. Ling.
How about Ling?
Is ling a word? What? Alright. We have a lot of REs left. And these. Read. Rent. We did that one. Reaped? No. Relied. Nice one. Yeah, we did renter. And we did lint as well. Tant. Tant means granny in Swedish. Just so you guys know, fun fact. Rented. Trash game. Stop being a hater, Michael. This is very fun. Granted, it's not Fortnite, but it's still a fun game.
Don't need to catch a dub.
What'd you say?
Don't need to catch a dub.
On Fortnite? Yeah, I know. Last session was stressful, man. We came second, like twice, I think.
That stupid bolt, bro.
Yeah, I know. Tame. What did tame? Meat. Ooh, meat is nice. Yeah, maybe we could run it tonight or tomorrow night if you're down.
Yeah.
Pent.
What time is tonight for you? Like 9?
Tonight, like 9 Swedish time. I don't know what that is for you.
That's 4.
Yeah.
That works.
Gold is breaking resistance. Yeah, breaking support. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's still flying.
Yeah, I'll watch this gold price section because if we get it, we can get a no-wick play here. So I'll watch this 8 minutes. So I'll tell you guys. If we close below here, we have range all the way down to 53, by the way. So this range should get filled if we close below. Maybe after a retest, look for a no-wick play down. It wouldn't be too bad. 7 minutes. Liver, we did liver. Pete is a word, right? It has to be. Verment. No. Pita. You see, I didn't even know that was a word. It just sounded like a word. Bro said developmental. There's no DE, bro. Limited. I don't even know, bro.
Bro, there's only one ME and there's one TA.
Yeah, that's true. We should try to get these out of the way.
And
TA as well, yeah. And ME as
yeah.
well. We did Lear, or how do you say that? Meant? Yes, we did.
Is VERME word?
Say again?
VERME.
VR verm now. Verment. Mirror. Come on, guys.
You good?
Yo, guys, if this 5 closes with no top wick, that will be the 50-minute. If this 5 closes with no top wick, that will be the 50-minute closure below range, and the 50-minute then comes up with no bottom wick. That will be a compensation play on the 5 and a no wick play on the 15. Just so you guys know. So be ready here. It'll be a quick scalp. Stops will be very small, by the way, guys. Stops will be just above here somewhere, like maybe 20 pips or something. We'll risk the last position on this play. Never mind, we're just gonna drive.
Never mind, bro.
Yeah, holy shit.
Damn.
Back to this game. Taliber. We did rented. Panted?
PANTED?
Pented.
No, TAN. Like PA.
Where's PA?
TA.
Oh, tented.
No.
Oh. How's pented our word limited?
Did you do VERED? No, ED.
Verd? Yeah, we did. We're driving hard, are we? Holy shit. Yeah, guys.
Yo, whoever's still holding runners.
Yeah. Yo, those damn runners had to take us out break even, bro. Look at this wick. It just had to wick up one last time before. FOMO.
Yo, do everything with ED at the end.
Weird. Read. T. Tied. Peed. Lied.
Damn.
NT. No. Yeah, ED has to be at the end somehow. Because you can't fit in the middle of the word. Nowhere.
Yeah, it's fun until you get to this part, yeah?
Yeah. I don't like this game anymore. This game became real boring real quick. Like, why are they using words from the 1800s? Like, we don't know these words, man.
Tape. You do tape?
Tape? Yeah, we did.
Bro.
There's gonna be some weird word you've never heard of. That's usually what it is.
Yeah, probably.
Parent?
Covered?
Per river? Patent? Patented? Verpent. You gotta calm your excitement down. 15 has the bottom wick, but we did fill the range already. And he did close respecting this range right here. That's almost the 5 and the 15 compensation play. Or the 15 no wicking and the 5 compensation. But I hate that we had to push so far, bro. Otherwise this would be a great play. And I think this has a bottom wick because... No, it doesn't. Crazy. Yo, guys, I don't think I can do this anymore.
It does have a bottom wick.
It does?
Yeah, if it didn't, the indicator would tell you.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true actually.
It's like you have to zoom in.
Yeah, oh my, that's the smallest wick I've ever seen.
Yeah. It's nice because the indicator tells you on new candles too.
Yeah. Guys.
You'll start clicking.
Yo, we're 39 brains and we can't figure out one word. 39 grown ass members and we can't figure out one word. Liped. Linted. It doesn't work, bro.
We tried that like 10 times.
Shuffle.
Oh, no. Did you do RELIED?
RELIDED? Relied? Yeah, we did. We did everything. Tavern. Physical dog. Oh no, what's happening? You okay, Anne? Is your screen frozen?
No.
Yeah, my screen is frozen. Yeah. I don't know what's happening, guys. Yeah, I can't
Oh,
click.
shoot, it is now.
Yeah, right? Yeah, I can't click. Damn, we were so close. I just had a word in mind as well. Fuck.
Damn.
Damn it, guys. I guess, yeah. It's a shame. We would have easily made that, but it's a shame, guys. Whatever. You know, shit happens like this. Thank you for watching the stream. Got a sweet W today. Finally, Nero gave us something. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please leave a like on your way out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll see you boys next stream, right? Take care. Alright, Kayan, I'll see you, bro. And everybody else in Zoom. Take care, guys.